Hi folks, we are at Hodges Family Farm and Pumpkin Patch. Be a fun little outing today, very family oriented. So let's go and check it out. So you can see how busy it is. This parking lot is full. It is Sunday morning, about 11 o'clock, and it is slammed. So this is definitely the place to be. It's all kinds of activities for the family. So we'll show you around and see what there is to do. So we are up here at the farm, and as you can see, there's a lot of people picking out their pumpkins. And again, there's activities, there's food, and the parking here is $5 to park. So check it out. There's so many people here. We're gonna walk around the farm too. Looks like there's some cool activities going on. All right, let's go look around. And they are on Facebook right here, so you can look them up, find out more information about the farm, and then you've also check out these different pumpkins here. All different breeds and sorts of pumpkins and different colors. And it looks like they also have plants here too. You know, it looks like a little photo op here in front of the little barn that you can take. So that's pretty cool. And all kinds of pumpkins. All these little guys over here in that tub. And they sell these buckets of flowers here for $10. They're cool, little accents for your display outside. Plants. I'm just checking it out. And this is family owned, and Connie's talking to one of the owners here. She's one of the siblings out of 7 kids that run the farm. Their mom is 94 years old, and she loves coming out to talk to everybody and flirt with the little babies. So they do raise chickens and turkeys and Angus beef out here that you can special order on their site. So it's all fresh. It's and you can pre-order it, and I believe they can send it to you. But like I said, find out on the Facebook site. I'll look in the description. I'll have all the information how you get in touch with them. It looks like everybody's having a great time out here. And this is their home here. It's been here for generations. Her great-grandfather built this home many years ago, and the family's still here, living here at the farm and running the farm. And again, it's been in this family for generations, the Hodges. And they raise the chickens out here. He's having a good time just finding little things to eat. See what people drop, throw. He's going through it. He's finding stuff. Oh, he's digging now. See something? Oh, he found something in there. He found something. And we are probably about 20 minutes outside of Charlotte. All the farmland out here, a lot of cornfields, tons of corn. But yeah, we're way out here in the boonies. And it looks like they have kettle corn here for $6 a bag. Funnel cakes they're making for everybody, and got a lot of people over here eating funnel cakes. We'll probably bring some of that popcorn home because kettle corn is awesome. And then over here you can get your drinks, you can get the honey that they have here. And over here, just as you can see, it says pastured pork, beef, and eggs. So you'll get all kinds of fresh meats here too. And that White House there looks like that's the farm shop there too. So we'll check that out. Check out this old Sinclair gasoline pump. That is pretty cool. This is nice here. They got all the herbs, vegetables growing there. All fresh. And you can get a cool little photo op here with the pumpkins. And it's called Hodges Family Farm right there. Really neat sign. And there's Connie at the sign. Got a cool little picture of her. She's having fun. You having fun?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to continue into the farm area. And they have hayride tickets for $5. So you ride the hayride, and there's a line over there forming to get on the hayride. We might do that. Looks like it'd be fun. We'll see. And they do have a bunch of cornhole tossing over there with the kids and adults. This is a really cool farm. It's a lot of land too. So they have cattle out here, horses, livestock like sheep and lamb and pigs. We'll check them out too. It looks like there's a lot to do. It's a really neat farm. And over here, they have all kinds of cool farm equipment in this barn here. Yeah, it looks like everybody's having a good time. They're over there playing the huge haystacks over there. And there's the stable with the horses. Looks like they're getting their lunch right now, and they're eating in the barn. Their stable's there. And have a couple horses out here. Yep, pretty horse right there. Looks like you got some, I'm guessing those are miniature horses, not ponies, but I believe they are miniature horses over there. Let me zoom up a little bit. There they are, out there grazing. And check out the old silos. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice farm. Got a couple of beautiful turkeys here. They do raise turkeys and chickens out here. They're over there on the other side of the pen. Getting some food, walking around, and have a nice little area right there they go into and just chill out. This is the inside of one of the barns. And they have this old carriage here. Looks like an old family station wagon.
Actually,
there's an old barn right there. What's that?
This used to be a dairy farm.
Oh, it was a dairy farm?
Yeah, it was a dairy farm previously.
Oh, okay.
Years ago, and then it got to be, it wasn't financially feasible to run it, so they became agricultural instead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool, the old buggy there. Going family outings here in the countryside. And see if what else they have out here. These old pens here. Let's see if there's something over here. Nope, doesn't look like it. We have a bunch of beautiful pumpkins here. Look at the colors too. The colors are just vibrant. Love the green ones here. These right here. And one thing that Connie pointed out is that this is all organic. They don't use any pesticides here, so everything is natural here at this farm. You come out to see me. Hey guys, they're all stuck inside here in that little bin there. They're all taking a nap. Oh, he's moving over here. One of the bigger siblings are inside there. You see them over there. Zoom up there. They're all chilling out inside the pen there. Oh, he's going back to sleep, laying down. Yep, and you get to see their butts just hanging out the back there, just sleeping. That's his pork butt. Another one of the old barns. Little stables in there too. And I'm just loving this old silo here. That's pretty cool. And there's a bunch of the farm out there. So there's something always going on out here at this at the Hodges Family Farm. And but it is that pumpkin season time with all their pumpkins that they grow out here. And there's the miniature horses. We'll walk over there. They're on the other side of these stables here. Check out their ball, there's a little toy out there to play with. So, aren't they cool? Little miniature guys there. It's another one of the big barns over here. You can't get to it from here though. And they've also got a pool over here for the family. It's really nice in-ground pool right behind this fence here. In-ground pool. So if you see in the distance, they were telling us that's the chicken coops over there that you see in the center where all the chickens go, and they go inside at nighttime. And here comes the hayride coming this way. And try to get on that too and take a ride around and film from the tractor and the hayride. It's coming up the hill there. And then also on the other side of that tree line are the fields where the all the cattle are raised. But they're coming up. And here's our turkeys that came by to say hello. Hi, Mr. Turkey. How you doing? And there's his friend over there, another turkey. They came out from behind their little hut. So they're walking around, grazing. And here's the little chickadees, little chicklets here. Hey, babies.
Precious.
Hey, guys.
Hey, guys.
New babies. This cool little hut they have here. Looks nice and safe. Kind of checking out the camera. Hey, guys, you're on camera. You're on camera. Yeah, on camera. A lot of people are going to see you guys. They are so cute. Got a bunch of cornhole here. No one's playing right now. They cleared out. I think a lot of people, if you look over here, this line here is for the hayride. And they do take a lot of people on there at one time. And the hayride's pulling up. Tractor's pulling up with a bunch of people in it. So we're definitely going to check that out. Don't leave the flamingos up there in the windows. But they keep a lot of their equipment in here, old equipment. Looks like toys for their kids. And here's these big hay bales here. The kids are playing in, jumping around in the hay bales. And there's the tractor there. And pulling up. So it looks like they take a bunch of people at the same time. It's outside, so yeah, this is great. We'll walk over to the pumpkin patch too. People getting off here. And here's the line over here. People want to get on the hayride. So I think it's $5 a person, I believe. We'll check it, make sure. I'll give you a little tour of the property. Probably take you down where you can see all the cows and the turkeys. They have a lot of free range chickens and turkeys on the property wandering around. So, but yeah, we'll go and get on the hayride. And as you can see, the line has grown. And as I said before, I'll put in the description a lot of the history of the farm too. So they have about a little over 100 acres of land, and they've grown like strawberries here. Of course, the pumpkins are their main thing. They have all kinds of different vegetables that they grow on the property. So we're going to walk down here and check out the pumpkin patch. And there's a lot of people down here going through the pumpkins. And we're just going to look and see what they have. And they have small ones to big ones. So here we are in the pumpkin patch. I'm looking for Linus to see if he's out here looking for the great pumpkin. I don't see him. So there's a lot to go through here. Looks like it's been picked pretty good. A lot of these pumpkins are actually up front too. So, but you've got a lot of these still out here that you can just pick right from the crop of pumpkins. And some over here too. That's part of the whole experience for fall, of course. It's coming out to the pumpkin patch. Hayride was a lot of fun. No hay though, but which is fine. Did get dirty. Did get all hay. We had to get off our pants, shirt. Gets all over you. So, but yeah, people are out here and getting their pumpkins ready for the fall season and for Halloween. A lot of these pumpkins will be carved out into ghouls. Maybe some will be made into pumpkin pies. So last year, we had one of our pumpkins that we had during Halloween, set it aside next to the house. It died and slowly disintegrated. And what was funny is it planted itself, and it had a pumpkin. We had a pumpkin come up last year, and that pumpkin lasted for about 8 months after it grew. It was pretty cool that it kind of grew on its own right in the yard. But yeah, there's only certain pumpkins that you can make into pumpkin pies. Most all of these are pretty much for decoration. And like I said earlier, the deer, they come out here and they love bashing some of these open sometimes and eating the insides of the pumpkin. So here's a good example of a pumpkin that was probably smashed in by one of the deer. Looks like possible hoof mark right there. Yeah, they go in there and they eat all the insides out. It's like a delicacy to them. Kind of give you a whole shot of the area and the farm from the pumpkin patch. Here's the farm way up there, the house. Slowly, people are starting to leave. They open at 9 a.m. And like I said, I'll have more information in the description how to find the farm, Hodges Family Farm, and all the information. There's a lot of history. This is a historic site, so it is protected. So no development can ever be here since it is a historic location. Now we see these guys here growing. I don't remember them growing like that in when I was telling you about the one we have growing in our yard. But yeah, pumpkin is a squash type vegetable, so they're looking like squash at first. Perhaps they'll turn it into our nice orange known pumpkins that we're used to. But yeah, they're growing right there. So we're going to head up back to the farm and the house up there. Connie saw that they have some of the products they have for sale, some of the meat products. So we're going to see what they have, if they have any left. The eggs have sold out. They're like the first thing to go are the fresh eggs from the chickens here. So we're going to try to see if they have like sausages, stuff like that to bring home. So here is some of the items here. They sell fresh that you can order. If you want to pause it, you can see the different choices you have. A lot of it pork and poultry and beef and all the different prices. So we're going to take some home. Connie's in the process of ordering them right now. And they also have honey, because they have the bees here too. All the honey is fresh. You got the fall honey. They got the spring honey. Yeah, it looks good. So we'll see what she gets. So the farm itself is over 100 years old. And it's been in operation. They're always reinventing themselves as far as what type of livestock, what type of foods they'll grow here. So right now, chicken and Angus beef and pork are their top sellers here, which that's probably the standard that they'll stick with. But like the pumpkins is their thing right now, and it does really well, as you can tell. Look at the crowds out here. So Connie did place the order for some poultry, some sausages, some eggs. So we're going to bring those home. They look yummy, and it's a beautiful day here. It's a little over 80 degrees. It is fall. It's, I believe it's October 3rd. So had to get a Coke. So honey, what did you pick up from the farm?
Picked up the beef kielbasa links, the mild Italian sausage, chicken thighs, and then I got fresh eggs on the farm. So it should be really good.
Sounds really good.
Yep.
So that was our day at Hodges Family Farm. It was a lot of fun, had a great time, and it will be going and running all the way through October. So it's definitely something you want to do with the family and bring them out here, see the livestock and see the pumpkins, see the chickens. Chickens were fun. The baby little chickens were cute. And the hay ride, the tractor ride was a lot of fun. So, and there's a lot of information, history that he shares with you as you're running along. But yeah, thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And Connie and I have really enjoyed you guys hopping along this train. We're moving along. So stay tuned for more stuff coming really soon. You guys take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.